Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the New Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 9, 2023, hard Sudoku. 6th row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 6, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. 7th row, BO6, so 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then 6th grid, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column E, 7th row, we get pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 2. Column G, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column F and 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column F and 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 4th grade, 8 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column J, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third row, we have 1, 2, 3. That 3 numbers can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, column J, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column G, third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Second row and third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, we have 4. 9th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Third row and second grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then we can confirm 7 also here. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 8 also here. Then 8th grade, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then second grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column B, column C and column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 2. 9th grade, column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 7. Third also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 4 also here. Then 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, we have 7. Third row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, column J and column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 6. Third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then first grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Third grid and third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th grid, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then third grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column H, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 9th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in one of these cells, it will confirm later. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 6. 9th row, we get 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 7th grade, column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.